Right now I'm standing in Germany's southwestern town of Schuld, one of the towns that are heavily hit by the flood. What I'm seeing here is completely devastating. I've seen houses closer to the river swept away by water, and the water has run into the second floor of some buildings. Most of the houses were filled with debris and trees. The electricity and mobile signals are cut off, and the rescue workers are trying to fix everything here. And so far there are about 180 fatalities, and over 1,000 people are still missing in the flood around Europe.
Wasser stieg immer weiter, 8 Meter hoch war das Wasser. Wir waren die ganze Nacht im Haus bis 5 Uhr morgens, wurden dann gerettet. Wir hatten gedacht, dass wir keine Chance mehr haben. Ich hatte gar keine Gefühle mehr. Also ich war wie ein Geist.
Das war an Mittwoch?
Ja, Mittwoch, zwischen Mittwochnacht und Donnerstagmorgen. Das war für jeden eine Katastrophe. Also das ist nicht nur jetzt einmal passiert, das passiert so jede 100 Jahre so ungefähr, sowas. Aber Katastrophe.
Because of climate change, we have started seeing more often this kind of stagnant, steady weather phenomena. The high pressure systems stay more constantly in some areas, and these high pressure areas have caused these temperature extremes and also drought extremes that we have seen in Northern America, and also nowadays in Northern Europe. And that has meant that these low pressure areas, which we always have, they have been moving along the same paths. Because of climate change, we see also more humidity in the atmosphere. And that means that when it rains more. And that's what has happened in Germany, in Belgium, and also in Switzerland.